back and just pull it right out.
Oh my God.
Is this the conch pistol? This is what the man use. That's for the man. Alright. This part of the conch here, this is the slop. I take it right off. I use it on my fishing in line to catch fish. Take it right off. This is the horn. They move this to move around. It's very hard. Move around. Take it right off. This is the skin part, the eyes, the breast. Just take it right off. It's very hard. Peel it right off.
And how old is that conch?
It should be about 2 years old. It's a full grown conch. Take the belly right out.
That's the guts.
There's the clean conch right there. Guys, taste it before I make this a little.
Are there plenty of conch in the sea?
Oh yeah, plenty, plenty, plenty. Ah yeah, plenty, plenty. That should taste it like a fire.
You saw the lighter. Oh, it really was? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Tell you what it tastes like.
Thank you.
Get some more. What does it taste like?
I don't know. I've never had it.
I think it tastes like a scallop.
It kind of does.
I think it tastes like a scallop. That's okay? You want to try? No? Okay, all right, fine. Okay.
Yeah, that one she did. She removed all these. Yeah, well, no, that's nothing like you see when she's supposed to.
So they're male and female, so that was
Yes.
a male. Is there a difference in flavor between the males and
No,
the
I don't
females?
think so.
Yeah.
All right, this is the vegetables I use. Pineapple, tomato, onions, peppers, mango, cucumber.
So do you have a restaurant in town?
No, I don't.
You don't?
No.
You should.
When I'm not here to work, this is what I do on the side though.
Yeah.
I do it on the side at home and sell it, yeah.
You
Oh, okay.
you salad.
Yes.
Are you famous?
Yes, I am.
I like you own that. Yes, I am.
Yep.
Are you famous?
Oh.
Did you come up with the recipe yourself, or was it
Oh, I learned it from as a little girl.
passed on? Yeah.
Yeah. This is the spice I'm using.
Yeah.
That's a small piece. It's very hot.
Does it have a narrow? No.
Yes, it is.
I thought so.
Yeah, I'll put it in.
Yeah, it shouldn't need much of that whole batch.
No,
That's
just a little bit. This is be very hot.
Okay.
So a little bit of salt, pinch of salt. Toss it right out.
Beautiful. Wow. Is there a size you can't harvest them?
The smaller ones, they would like 12 of the smaller ones.
Okay, yeah.
But you can harvest both male and female?
Yes. This is the citrus, lemon, lime, and orange.
Ah.
And there's the conch salad.
Ah,
There it is.
There you
beautiful.
go, one conch salad. We're going to have a try of it later. Stay tuned for more with the Ones and Connects. Subscribe to the channel and give us a like.